don't we go with the chorus?
That's my cackling we can hear.
I love your cackle, though.
Did not make it any noise at all.
Oh, that's Hugo.
People watching.
Huh?
700 people.
Good, they can listen too.
That's Hugo.
I'm not going to say anything because I already owe $2 to the pig. To the swearing pig.
I'm going to hold you to it.
He's squealing like a pig.
Oh, you don't have sound on yours there?
No.
It's the two that are nursing that are making all the racket.
No, it's Hugo.
Is it this one?
Yeah, it's Hugo. He says, I'm not happy.
Can't find a seat at the back.
I showed him one.
Oh, that sound.
Baby's making noise now.
You want to hold that with your third hand?
We could have an interview with Jenny, the camera peep.
Yeah, let's put Jenny on the spot.
Why can't you?
Jenny from Rowland, North Carolina.
Why can't you drink out of that one?
It's
a perfectly
chocolate.
good
I don't
one.
want chocolate. I want low fat. Oh, well, I guess chocolate's not so bad. Oh, nope.
No, I'm not drinking out of that one.
How much are we doing on this bag?
Here, we're doing the bag. Come here, let me have that one. Let me have that one, quick. That one, how about that one right there? Right here, right that one.
Oh, I see. That's whole milk.
Why are these other guys all quitting at once? That one just got on there, come on. Leave him alone.
She's had gas tonight.
Who is it? The puppies or her?
No,
You.
Noelle.
Oh, well. Whatever. This one's full. That's the full one.
That's
I thought Maria was going to be here tonight.
She is. She's coming.
She's coming.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because she was the one that told me about you staying over. I said, fine. I figured, what the hell?
She's coming.
Is that another $1?
Yeah.
Emmett, where are you going?
$3. Get your wallet.
Oh, God. I'm not going to survive this.
She's coming.
Yeah, go this way.
Have anything to say now?
Well, they're not singing now.
No, they're nursing. Emmett put on a good show, though.
Which one is that one?
This one.
Oh.
No.
They're just trying to get that one out of there.
That's Emmett.
Yeah, but wasn't it
That's Gussie.
tomorrow?
I don't think he's on. No.
Oh, you're right. It was Hugo.
Yeah.
You're right, Laura.
They did what?
Didn't that hurt?
Emmett's the one that went up your pants leg.
Oh, yeah. I was sitting here with my legs straight. The next thing I know, right up my leg.
Did you do one of these?
What are you doing?
Yeah, I did. Right across the room. No, the peeps like that.
I'm never going to hold that again. Theory is if you, oh, it is the bump there. Okay.
Yeah.
Theory is if you rub the edge, it dissolves faster. That's what Megan told me. Kevin knows, Megan must know, right?
It's cold.
Is it cold? It can't be. It's been hanging in here for a while. It's not cold like the one I put in here this morning by mistake. That was terrible. Well, here, let me try this. Try this one right here. That was right there, stupid.
Get in there, Ziggy.
Thank you, bud.
Oh, Ziggy's got it. You lost out, Ed. Ziggy's got it.
Are there only 3 that are favorable here? We got 4 puppies, 3 faucets.
We got 8 faucets, don't we?
Yeah, what did we do?
The other
We
on the
lost
other
10 puppies.
side.
Yeah. I mean, they shouldn't be fighting over any faucets. There's plenty of them.
He's got a belly on him, so he's not starving to death. Here, go on over there, dummy.
It's probably full. Look at the little fat bellies on them.
She's a good girl.
Has she been out?
Mhm.
I took her out.
Laura took her out. And we changed the bedding. And pushed the mattress up against this. Because they were starting to crawl.
Hmm.
So we shoved stuff back here.
I want you down here. Go that way. Is that gonna rub the bar? Are you looking for more here? There, try this one. Uh-oh. Try in there. Here, right in here.
She was on the other side before, right?
Huh?
Yeah, she flipped. What do they all say?
That's what I want to check. See what they're saying.
What's that one crawling over your arm?
I can feel it. It can't go any further than this. They sound like a bunch of little kids at the lunch table eating creamy macaroni for the first time. Great analogy, Moo said.
I think they're all filling up.
Somebody said, poor Noelle is looking around like, what is going on?
Mm.
Oh, somebody had their computer on in the background, and they said all of a sudden they heard these little squeaks and squeals, and they realized it was live. This is very cool. Love the little noises. That's DT. Another $1 from Carlene in the salty language jar. They don't miss a thing.
I know,
We're gonna
that's
make a
terrible.
fortune with this.
Go on out of here. Go that way.
Somebody said you should just throw a $5 bill in the jar and call it good.
Oh. Hey, you gotta pay attention here, lady. You got one stuck under there. A little bit.
I can feel them. What are you doing? No, you're not going under there. I can tell you that. Oh, no.
You look tired.
You're not going under there. Nuh-uh. Mm-mm. Hugo, you are a little noisemaker.
They go in the hole.
You know, that's the hole she dug.
Yep. Well, they're ready to just nap out now. They are full.
Look at the bellies on them.
Look at that. Like the little Pillsbury Doughboy. Oh my goodness. Is that Emmett again? That's Emmett.
Are we losing you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We're coming down the home stretch.
Yeah, we gotta.
Goodness, Emmett. Oh, now they're all gonna squeak. No, Hugo.
Where's our toilet paper?
Behind you.
Here's the toilet paper.
Oh, the toilet paper? Oh,
It's under me.
Oh, there you go. This guy might have to pee.
Can you put my dog bed back? Right there. No, under me. Yeah, there you go. Who am I?
Look, this poor bugger had to pee.
Oh.
That's what he was yelling about.
All right. Oh, well, this one's
Boy.
catch that one there.
How many people? How many people we got here that aren't? Somehow we're not getting the right things done here. Are we through peeing, dear? Proof. Look at that.
Look at
Oh,
that.
the microphone doesn't.
No, the camera's
The camera.
behind you.
The wet thing. Yeah, the girl in the bathroom. That's what he's yelling about. Anybody else got to pee?
Try Hugo. He's been noisy.
I'm doing your job, kid. See him kind of steady down and stand here quietly?
Mm-hmm.
He's unloading. He's not shitting, he's just peeing.
Oh, there's another $1.
It's not, that's what he was doing.
It's called
He was
pooping.
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 That's $4 for you.
Oh, God.
See, you might as well just throw $5 in there.
You better put a tenner.
See, look at that. He's wet. It's wet. I got 2 to go, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one.
You're not gonna ask her to do it?
That's the girl one. It's a little bit further back.
You make me nervous when you go under there. Here you go. You stay out here. Oops, sorry.
Still got a ways to go on that back. Put your head above the blanket. Look at that mouth.
Yeah. It's only a little bit, maybe. Any more little dribbles coming?
She says, I don't know, I'm asleep.
There you go. That's 2, 3.
It's my
Did
job.
you notice he quieted down, though?
Quieted down, you're a genius.
I tell you. It's the boy one. It goes underneath further.
Really?
But when they're uncomfortable, they have to pee. And when they're crying, that tells mommy they gotta pee, so this mommy really doesn't care.
Why are you doing that with the toilet paper instead of offering that puppy to her?
Why am I doing that?
Yeah.
I do this with one hand. I'm gonna fall over. This one doesn't have to be. This one's probably the reason that carpet's wet.
Down the hole we go.
See, the system is when they cry like that, Mommy wakes up. Come on, move him. Mommy wakes up and then whizzes them, and they go back to sleep. Except she wasn't whizzing them. This guy was empty. But you gotta do that, guys. That's one of the jobs here.
Okay.
And toilet paper is it for that department, and it's the wet naps for the back end.
Okay.
Poo ins.
We've cleaned poo tonight, believe me.
Oh, good.
Oh yeah.
We're down. You can quit anytime.
Not yet. It's still.
You got a little bit left, but that's. We're getting the maximum for one lump. Right here, it's down here. You're off.
You get the cover?
Put your finger on it. I'll sit there for half an hour.
Okay. What'd you do with the cover of this?
I don't know.
Well, there's half a dozen of them lying around here somewhere.
I can't.
I can't even see it. I don't have glasses on. Alright, take that. She's on. Wrap it up over the thing.
I got this. Look at this.
Turkey.
Uh-oh, we have messages.
It's Lou.
Lou?
Lou is a camera person that I met from Raleigh.
Oh.
We met through the chapel.
Oh. And you said, hey, I'm your neighbor.
Yeah, we got together a couple times, and she had her computer on in the background and heard them talking about, and you talking about, you need to interview Jenny.
I've never seen pups this young, so mobile. That's as
They
far as
weren't-
you're going,
They
bud.
weren't 10 minutes old. And they were in the laundry basket trying
Trying to get out.
up and out.
Yep. And usually you've got a week in the laundry basket before they try
Yeah.
and get out.
No.
What was it you said, Carlene? They were overdone?
Yeah, I think they're overdone.
They were in the oven a little too long.
You make me angry moving around, kid. Go move someplace else. Okay, I'm shutting off the microphone, right?
All right, bye, everyone.